Hello everyone! Today is Tuesday, November 10th, and these are your instructions for today's lessons. So just remember, if you need to get a hold of me, pull up your playlist for week 10 and you can click on these links up top. You can schedule an office appointment by clicking this link. You can email me, or you can text me through Remind. All right, scrolling down to Tuesday. Today we are working on 2 worksheets. The first worksheet we are working on is 15.1 Exercise 60, Energy in All Things. The first one is click the link and open it up, and you are doing the Google form right here. Complete the attached Google form worksheet. You may use your book to complete the worksheet. If you would prefer a paper copy, please let me know. One is available. Click the link, and it opens up right into your Google form. Remember, your book is scanned right into your classroom. Just look to the left over here under Science Book. We are currently in Chapter 15, and there it is. Getting back into your playlist. When you are done with 15.1 Exercise 60, make sure you finish it up and click Submit. Then come on back over to your playlist. The link is in here for your next assignment, 15.1 Practice 137, Energy in All Things. Is posted right into your Google Classroom. Complete this Google form worksheet. Once again, you may use your book. It is not a test. All right. If you have any questions on how to complete your assignment for Tuesday, you know how to get a hold of me. Have a wonderful day.